Hello and welcome to this tutorial on starting quickly with a theme or template in PowerPoint. In this video, I will show you how to use PowerPoint's built-in themes and templates to create professional looking presentations in just a few minutes. PowerPoint consists of a large number of themes and templates which you can use in your presentations. In order to access the themes, you need to go to this file option from here. Just click this new option, and from here just go to this search bar option, and from here you can see number of options: presentations, themes, education, and so on. Just click this themes, and from here you can select any theme based on your own requirement. Let's suppose we can click this, and from here you can change the color of this theme. And if you want to see the other images, just click more images. And if you are happy with the contents, you can just simply click this create option. And in here you can just go to layout, and from here you can change the layout of your slide. You can choose any layout from the given options. If you are looking for an ideal template for your slides, then you need to go to this option of file, and from here just select new. And in the search bar you can write any topic. Let me write travel, but you can write any topic on which you are going to make your presentation. Just search, and here you can see, and this PowerPoint has provided me so many templates that are relevant with my searching of travel, and I can choose any of these given options. Let me select this one, and then I need to click this create. Once I will create, it will start downloading for me, and once the downloading is completed, the template will be ready to use. And in this template, I can make changes in the pictures, I can make changes in the text according to my own requirements. So this is actually the main difference between the template and the themes. That themes only consist of the design, but the templates consist of the text and as well as the pictures, and you can make changes in the text as well as in the pictures according to your own requirements. And that's it. You now know how to quickly create a professional looking presentation using PowerPoint's themes and templates. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching.